How to hide number on WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can hide your number on WhatsApp. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to hide your number on WhatsApp, if I open up WhatsApp, there could be a couple of reasons why you might want to hide it. Because what just happens is, let's say you are in a certain group chat and then people just add you to this group chat, and anyone who is in this particular group chat will be able to see your phone number even if you don't know them, even if you haven't added them as a contact. So that is the reason why you might want to hide your number. Well, unfortunately WhatsApp has no such type of option so far, because I tried searching for it in the settings, I tried going to privacy account, I looked everywhere, but I did not find the option. Unlike Telegram, where it does give you the option to hide your phone number, WhatsApp currently hasn't rolled out such feature yet. If it does, then I'll also make sure to update to you about it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.